The Honeywell touchscreen 7-day programmable thermostat features the ability to program each day individually and customize up to 4 different temperature periods per day. This thermostat makes it simple to keep your home cooled or heated for your specific comfort level. The exclusive Honeywell Smart Response Technology enables auto-changing from heating to cooling while continually adjusting the preheating or cooling of your home to obtain effective results. This also comes with the added ability of precisely selecting your temperature controls within 1 degree of the desired temperature. The screen utilizes a green backlight that makes accessing your thermostat an effortless procedure. The intelligent features of this thermostat allow it to retain settings during power outages, automatically adjust for daylight savings time, and provide reminders for when the filters require changing. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.